Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady. Yes, so we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about... Today we're going to share how to do a DIY or a life hack in a snap. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi everyone, as indicated in the introduction, today we're going to do a DIY/hack that can be done in a snap. So, have you ever had your counter, your vanity, your kitchen counter, any counter that just has things strewn about? I don't like it. I hate it actually. I like to corral things, as I've often said in many of my videos, and corralling things in the right container, in the right spot, the right size is so important. So today, that's what we're going to do. Here I have a basic wire basket. It's a medium size, small to medium I would say, and it is coated, of course, in a paint that is resistant to moisture and things like that. So the type of corralling device that you use to corral whatever it is you're trying to corral, make sure you take into consideration where that thing is going to be, where this basket will be. That will determine what type of material the basket needs to be made out of. If it's going to be near moisture, water, anything that can cause it to rust. So if it's going to be in your bathroom, you know you need to have some type of corralling basket or container that is going to be resistant to humidity. This is the reason why I've got this wire one and it is painted. I like the white color because white is very neutral and pretty much can fit into any color scheme. You can also go with just the plain silver aluminum baskets. Just make sure whatever the material is, if it's going to be around moisture or humidity, that material of that basket, that the basket is made of, is resistant to moisture. So I have this basket, but it does have holes in it. I do like the basket, but the holes may present a problem because depending upon what I'm going to put in this basket will determine whether or not it's going to fall out. So if I put small items in this like hairpins or safety pins, they can fall out of these holes. So I know that I'm not going to put anything like that in here. However, just for safety measures, I am going to cover the bottom of the basket with this board. It's just leftover board that I've used in other projects. And I'm just going to cut out the shape of the bottom of the basket. I'm going to sit this down inside of this basket so that I won't lose things, or if the things that I'm going to put in here may have a tendency to drip, it'll drip on this board versus dripping on the bottom of the basket. So let's start cutting. Don't forget your scissors as well as your pen or pencil that you're going to use to trace the bottom of the basket to the surface of the board. Here we go. That's a perfect fit. Now the items that I'm going to sit in this basket are hand soap and lotion. and they'll sit right there. So once my guests are done in the restroom and they're wanting to wash their hands, this is corralled in a nice space in the bathroom, sitting in the corner, not all over the counter or the vanity, and it's holding it perfectly in place. No drip, no spills, no mess. Everything will be corralled right in this basket. Yeah, that was a quick DIY, wasn't it? Or a slash hack. But that's what this is all about. DIYs slash hacks that can be done in a snap. Now, don't forget to go to my YouTube page, The How To Lady, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you press the notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting new content. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.